9 injured in cargo ship fire at Ulsan port. Nine sailors were injured after a fire broke out on a cargo ship and spread to another vessel following an explosion in the southeastern port city of Ulsan, authorities said Saturday.
이거 신문사에도 올리거든요. 영상도 올리고 다 올리고. 울산 광역면에
The 25,881-ton vessel for transporting petroleum products from the Cayman Islands caught fire following the explosion at around 10:51 a.m. when it was in a berth at Yompo Key in Ulsan, 400 kilometers southeast of Seoul. A total of 25 people, all foreign nationals, were aboard the ship, but were all rescued, according to the authorities. The fire quickly spread to another cargo ship next to it, with 21 crew members on board, but they were also all saved.
이거 신문사에도 올리거든요. 영상도 올리고 다 올리고. 울산 광역면에
9 people were injured, with one sustaining serious injuries, according to the authorities. Efforts are underway to contain the fire and to prevent it from spreading further, the authorities said, adding that the Coast Guard is investigating the exact cause of the explosion.